Hi, I'm Scott Thacker with Arizona Ranch Real Estate, and I'm standing on top of an overlook over Round Valley. This is a single pasture within the Split Rock Ranch. It's an amazing geologic formation, just a bowl within the mountains. In the low ground, you've got seasonal grasses and mesquites, hackberry trees along the waters. In the upper ground, you have ocotillo and junipers, tobosa on the hillside. It's a fantastic place to see, raise cattle. It's got a beautiful climate, and there's no people. I hope you enjoy it.